In this video, I'll show you how to connect your quiz to Google Analytics 4 and start tracking quiz events, such as when a question is viewed, an answer is submitted, an email is captured, or when users reach or retake the results page. Let's get started. Step 1. Set up your Google Analytics data stream. First, open your Google Analytics account and go to Admin, Data Collection and Modification. Here, make sure you have a web data stream connected to your Shopify website, the same one where your quiz is embedded. If you don't have a data stream yet, click Add Stream, Web, then enter your website URL and name. Click Create and Continue, and you'll generate a new data stream. Step 2. Add your Google tag to Shopify next. Follow the setup instructions to install your Google tag on your website. To do this manually, go to your Shopify admin, online store, themes, edit code. Open the theme.liquid file and paste your Google tag inside the section of the code. Save your changes. Once the tag is added, return to Google Analytics and test the installation. You should now see your measurement ID connected to your website. If the connection is successful, you'll see a GTag under Google Tag Manager Sources, confirming that your site is sending data to Analytics. Step 3. Connect Google Analytics to your quiz. Now, open the RevenueHunt Quizzes app and select the quiz you want to connect. Make sure your quiz is already published on your Shopify website. If not, go to the Publish tab and follow the steps to embed it. Then go to Settings, Integrations, and find Google Analytics. Click Activate, and the app will automatically connect your quiz to the Google tag already installed on your store. Click Save to confirm your settings. Your quiz is now connected to Google Analytics. Step 4. Verify your connection. To check if data is flowing correctly, open your Shopify website, start a sample quiz, and go through a few questions until you reach the results page. Then, return to Google Analytics. While it can take up to 72 hours for new events to appear in reports, you can verify the connection immediately by viewing real-time events. Go to Reports, Real-Time, and under Event Count by event name, you should start seeing quiz events such as Question Viewed, Block Answered, Email Lead, Session Start, or Quiz Retake. If you see these events appearing, your quiz is successfully connected to GA4. Keep in mind that there's a delay before all these events can be viewed under User Engagement, Events List. Step 5. Explore your quiz data. To go deeper, you can analyze quiz events using explorations in GA4. Go to Explore, Blank Exploration, and add values and dimensions. For example, add event name as rows or event count as metrics. Increase the number of visible rows to 100 and apply a filter such as Event Name contains Block Answered. This way, you'll see which quiz answers or blocks are most frequently selected within your chosen time range. If you'd like a full list of quiz events tracked by RevenueHunt, visit our documentation site and search for GA4. There, you'll find a complete overview of all events, including question views, email submissions, and result interactions, that are automatically sent from your quiz to Google Analytics. To learn more, visit our help center at docs.revenuehunt.com.